Today we are going to talk about differentiation of trigonometric functions. First we start with rules. We have 6 rules because we have 6 trigonometric functions. First of them is d by dx of sine x. Derivative of sine x is cos x. Derivative of cos x is negative sine x. Derivative of tan x is sec squared x. Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Derivative of cosec x is negative cosec x cot x, and derivative of cot x is negative cosec squared x. Now let's start with question number 1. Question said find dy by dx. Y equal 5 sine x. So dy by dx equal 5 is a constant, so keep it. Derivative of sine x is cos x. Question number 2. Y equal 3 cosine x. So we can write it y dash equal 3 is a constant as we said. Derivative of cosine is negative sine x. Now 3 multiply negative sine x is negative 3 sine x. Question number 3. If y equal 4 tan x, so y dash or dy by dx equal 4 is a constant. Tan x, derivative of tan x is sec squared x. So it's 4 sec squared x. Last question, y equal 3 cot x. So y dash equal 3 is a constant. Derivative of cot x, derivative cot x is negative cosec squared x. So 3 multiply negative cosec squared x. So y dash equal 3 multiply negative cosec is negative 3 cosec squared x. This is question number 3. Then we have another rules. If your angle is a function like sine f of x and the derivative of cos f of x. So this exercise comes in this form like sine 5x, like sine 2x minus 1 or cos 3x minus 2. So let's take these rules. After that we can start to find the differentiation of these exercise. Rule number 1, d by dx of sine f of x. We start differentiation with angle. Derivative of f of x is f dash of x multiply derivative sine f of x is cos f of x. After that, cos f of x is negative f dash of x sine f of x. Derivative tan f of x is f dash of x sec squared f of x. So we start to differentiate angle, then derivative of trigonometric function as we take in paper 1. Now let's start differentiate with respect to x. This question differentiate with respect to x, it means find dy by dx or find y dash. So we start y dash equal derivative of sine 5x. Derivative sine is cos 5x. Then derivative of 5x, derivative 5x is 5. So we can write here our answer in this form, 5 cos 5x. Or if you want to do it direct, you can do it direct. You can start with derivative of angle, which is 5, then derivative sine 5x, which is cos 5x. Okay? Then question number 2, y dash equal derivative sine is cos 2x minus 1 multiply derivative of angle, derivative 2x minus 1 is 2. So y dash equal 2 cosine 2x minus 1. Question number 3, y dash equal derivative of cosine is negative sine 3x minus 2 times derivative of angle, derivative 3x minus 2 is 3. Now simplest form, negative sine multiplied by 3 is negative 3 sine 3x minus 2. So we can see to differentiate any trigonometric function with angle as a function, we start with differentiation of angle, after that derivative of trigonometric function, or as you like. Question number 4. Let's continue. Y equal cosine pi over 2 minus 2x. So this question, cos pi over 2 minus 2x. Pi over 2 is a constant. So derivative of cosine is negative sine pi over 2 minus 2x. Then derivative of angle, pi over 2 is a constant because it's 180 over 2, which is 90, minus derivative 2x, derivative of negative 2x is negative 2. Now you can simplify. Negative sine multiply negative 2. Negative multiply negative is positive 2 sine pi over 2 minus 2x. This is the simplest form. Question number 5, sine x squared plus 2x. So dy by dx or y dash equal. Let's do it quickly by quick method. So we start the derivative of angle. Derivative of x squared plus 2x. Derivative x squared is 2x. Plus derivative 2x is 2. So this is the derivative of angle. Then derivative of sine is cos x squared plus 2x. Okay, let's remember, or we can take it as a hint here. Derivative of d by dx of sine f of x. We can say f dash of x, which is differentiation of angle. After that, derivative of sine is cos f of x. Last one, y equals sine 3x minus cos 2x minus 1. So y dash equal sine 3x. Let's start. Derivative of 3x is 3. Derivative of sine is cos 3x. This is the answer. Then minus derivative of cosine. Derivative cosine is negative sine. So it's negative sine 2x minus 1. Multiply derivative angle, which is 2. After that, you can simplify. 3 cosine 3x. Negative multiply negative is positive. 2 multiply sine is 2 sine 2x minus 1. This is the answer of question number 6.